So here is a graph of the actual values and predicted values of our model. In this scenario, there are only two possibilities. Number one, first, if the predicted value and actual value are the same, then we are good. No need to worry. Number two, second, if the predicted value is different from the actual value, then we need to find the difference between the values. This difference is called the error or cost function. In order for our model to work accurately, we need to reduce this error. In this case, we get help from the backpropagation approach to update weights in our network and reduce this error. So, to sum up, let's keep in mind that backpropagation is an algorithm used to fine-tune mathematical weight functions and increase the accuracy of an artificial neural network's outputs. It is one of the most widely used algorithms in artificial intelligence. Alright, so that was it for the propagation of information in artificial neural networks. And now on to the next lecture.